Hey, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, I teach all about the stock market, how to multiply your income and make your money pay you. Today, this video will be about my favorite stocks. Guys, I also have really bad news. My Discord got messed with. Some guy joined my Discord and started spamming at everyone. I banned him. Some random guy. He offered to be mod, and I was like, sure, but I'll only give you ban privileges and kick privileges to be there whenever I'm not there. He was literally begging for it, so I was like, it's whatever, I don't think he'll do anything. Bro, recently he banned every single person in my server. He literally went one by one. 300 people, over 300 people in my server, he banned every single one of them. Now everyone is gone. So if you want to join back, the link is in my bio. The link is in my description. Please, guys, join back. That's all I had to say, really. Let's go over my favorite stock. I've decided to pick Apple, ARKK, Neo, Intel, SUNPOWER CO, and Tesla. Alright, so the first stock I'll be talking about is Apple. I decided to invest in Apple because I strongly believe in that company and I love Apple products. I mean, who doesn't? Their iPhones, their MacBooks, their iPads, they've created this appearance or this person around their brand. A rich person or a sophisticated person buys Apple products. That's how you know a brand will be successful. If it makes the person feel good when they buy that product, if they want to show it off to their friends, and that's how you know that's a successful brand or company. I decided to have Apple as my first stock, and so far I'm really proud with that decision. In addition to that, Apple is just such a good long-term stock. Look at their 5-year graph. They've been green all 5 years. In comparison to a stock like AMC or GameStop. So I'm looking for those companies that will continue to do good and will continue innovating and just staying relevant. So that's why I decided to invest in Apple, and that's why Apple is such a good long-term stock. Apple was the first stock I bought, which means I started investing in the last week of September. I bought it, I think, September 27. It wasn't September 30 though. It was one of the 20s, the late 20s. Yeah, that's when I bought Apple. It was at $100, and I don't have proof, guys. I don't know where my orders, my past orders went, but the only ones I am able to show you are Intel and Tesla. Those are the only ones I have a screenshot of. But yeah, that's when I bought Apple, and I'm really happy with that decision, like I said. And if you're looking for a first stock, what your first stock will be, I just think go for Apple. I mean, this is just my personal opinion, just take it with a grain of salt, do your own research, and you should always remember to not buy when a stock is really high. Apple was founded by 2 college dropouts during the year of 1976 in April. And by the way, guys, I'm just Googling this. I have my computer right here. I'm just gonna Google it. You guys know who Apple is though. And it just created this whole idea, like I said, around the entire brand that this is a product you should have because this product will make you feel good about yourself. That's Apple for you. Apple went public December 12 of 1980. And it was at $22 per share. Oh my gosh. And now it's at 100. Before the stock split of Apple was worth around $656. Started off with $22 per share. And you guys, you see what I'm doing right here? I'm Googling as I'm telling you guys, this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to analyze this stuff. When did they go public? How much per share was it when they went public? Their 5-year graph, everything. The background info of the company if you don't know much about them. Another stock that I strongly believe in is ARKK. So this is an ETF, which means it's like a group of stocks. When you invest into an ETF, this means that you're investing into multiple companies simultaneously. The reason why ARKK is really good is because they target only the highest performing companies. So for example, like DNA technologies, the way we produce our energy, and everything surrounding like technology and just betterment for our world. That's what ARKK does, and that's what's being targeted when you invest into this ETF. This is a 5-year graph. I'm not entirely sure about when I bought this stock, but I think it was my second stock. It was definitely one of my first though. I bought it in October, that's for sure. And I think I got it at 110. And now it's at 140, so it's done me good. And recently I decided to buy another share of it because it's been performing amazing. ARKK, you have a place in my heart. I would recommend this stock as a first stock. It's pretty consistent, as you can see from the graph that I showed you. Here, let's see like a 3-month graph. Like, as you can see, this stock is just amazing. All right. Let's talk about NEO. Now, this was a stock I was able to catch at an early stage. And I'm gonna brag about this because I'm proud of this. Nah, I'm kidding. But yeah, I got NEO at $30. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. I was going on TikTok and I saw all these people talking about NEO. And I was like, whoa, NEO, it's an electric car company. They're saying it's Tesla's competitor. I can't afford Tesla right now, so might as well invest in their competitor. It's only $30 a share. So I decided to buy NEO. Okay guys, but always remember, if you see something on TikTok, always do your research. I did my research because I didn't know anything about NEO. And then I did my research and I was like, whoa, this is a really good company. You know, like they're electric cars, they're Tesla's competitor. Over at China, they're really popular. So I decided to buy NEO. Bought 3 shares at $30, so that means $90. So this is when I bought it. I bought it around like 30, right here, like around here. And now this is when I hit a really good spot, and it dropped from that last week, but you know, it's picking back up. And I just checked, I actually don't have $90 profit, I have $80 profit. So wow, okay then. The other company that I really love is Intel. So I bought Intel when I bought Tesla. I bought both of them at the same time. The reason why I bought Intel was because I went on finviz.com, and I've showed you guys how to do this. Like, I showed you guys in my second video. If you want to check it out, I'll put the little like thing that pops up right here. I love Finviz. That's the #1 tool you should be using as an investor. What it does is filters out all the best companies, or it filters out the richest companies, like the companies with a big market cap, worth over 10 billion. Intel was one of them in the list. I did some research on it. I was like, let's see how they've been performing this past years. I mean, I obviously know Intel because they do the, what is it called? Yeah, so it's called a CPU, and they do all those for MacBooks, they do them for Windows, Lenovo's, all of those, right? So I was like, I already know Intel, I know that they're doing good and everything, but let me see more, like, let me see what kind of value they have in the future. Of course, I opened up the 5-year graph. Remember, open up the 5-year graph. I saw an article on Yahoo Finance. I'll pull it up right now, but I saw an article saying that they were thinking about partnering up with another company to create a driverless car. The future is electric cars. The future is driverless cars. The future is solar panels. Yeah, that's why I invested in them. I got them for $45.70. I have proof for this one. Here you go. And right now, I think I'm gonna add another share to it because, you know, I need some more of that Intel money. Anyway, speaking of solar panels, other stock that I really like is SPWR, which is SunPower Corporation. They're just a solar panel company. And another good one is Run by Sunrun. If you're thinking about investing into solar panels, SPWR and Sunrun are the best ones. Here are their graphs. Like, ever since Biden won, this is how good it's been doing. I have a screenshot for that. Why did I decide to invest in them? Because of Biden. He wants electrical stuff, you know, everything good for the environment. That's the kind of companies I'm looking for, because 5 years from now, when I'll sell my stocks, that's the company I want in my portfolio, because I know that company will still be doing good. Look for those companies. Look for those companies that you still want in 5 years from now. Act like you're about to marry these companies, you know? Be picky about it. And now let's talk about Tesla. Oh my gosh, Tesla. Tesla's the freaking GOAT. Elon Musk. You're the GOAT. The GOAT.
Ah, that's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
But yeah, Tesla is a really great stock. I freaking love Tesla. When I got it, it was at a big dip. I timed it. I woke up at 6:30. I bought that thing. And honestly, I could have bought it at a cheaper price because it dropped all the way to like 6:30. I was just so hungry for that Tesla stock. So I bought it at 658. Here's the proof. Tesla has done me good. I have $200 profit from it. And I see a lot of potential in this company. I mean, look at the 5-year graph. On February 5th of 2016, Tesla was worth $32. And now it's sitting at $872 per share. The influence that electric cars have in the world is enormous. And as an investor, you have to take advantage of that. Try to look for those companies, like I said, those that will be continuing to do good. And I really believe in Tesla. I bought them for that reason. I just really believe in them. They do amazing with their marketing. They give you that luxurious vibe while still saving the environment. Guys, please join my Discord. Please join my Discord. Join my Discord, please. I feel like it's a really beneficial thing. Be surrounded with people that have the same mentality as you. As a beginner investor, I would say that's like the smartest choice you can make, is surround yourself with like-minded individuals that are ready to trade, ready to just take on whatever and do research with you. Having a support system like that, it really helps. So if you're interested, go ahead, join my Discord. It's linked in the description. I joined the Discord when I first started. It was Eero Coleman's Discord, and I just really hope that I can help you guys the same way that Eero Coleman helped me by creating his Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video was kind of weird because I looked different at the first part of the video, but it's because I filmed my intro yesterday. Today's my birthday. I'm 17. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you still want to open an account with Webull, it's not too late to open your account. I'm still doing the promotion where it's like, if you open an account with them, you get 4 free stocks. So go ahead and check that out. It's all in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.